Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
Are you living in your dream home? Well, this is what you have been waiting for. Located in the cool hills of Mandeville, you will find this ideal house overlooking the hills of Ingleside subdivision, providing breathtaking views of the surroundings. In this two-unit home, you will enjoy 8 spacious bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and a powder room, spanning well over 6,000 square feet. Home has a main living kitchen and 2 small kitchens on the ground floor, a formal dining room, library, 3 living areas, family rooms, great for entertaining and family gathering, high voltage ceilings, laundry area, double car garage, 3 spacious balconies positioned around the exterior of the home for you to enjoy the cool, relaxing atmosphere and admire the beautiful panoramic views. Main house consists of 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 3 unit income properties, 2 bathrooms, 2 bedrooms flat, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom flat, and a studio flat. The land area of this house is approximately 29,130 square feet. Some other features include ceramic tile, wheelchair access, garden area, water tank, water heater, ceiling fans, kitchen built-ins, fully fenced, fully walled, cable, central location, easy access to amenities, private setting, view of the city and quiet area. The asking price for this house is £280,000, US 365,000 or Jamaican $56 million. Now, let's take a quick look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.